So grow bags are a somewhat new thing in the tree industry. We started actually producing our trees in grow bags starting last year. We're continuing that, and we have switched over 100% to grow bag production. So the reason why we chose grow bags, or why grow bags are used versus hard side plastic containers, is to prevent the tree's roots from girdling. Because it has a porous sidewall rather than a smooth plastic sidewall. With that, the root tip gets trapped in the side of the bag. The root tip will then die and create a more dense fibrous root system behind it, just like if you were to prune the head of a tree. Whereas in a plastic container, once that root tip hits the side of the container wall, it's going to turn and it's going to keep circling and circling, eventually choking out the tree. Another benefit of the grow bags versus the hard wall containers is you have a higher chance of success while planting in hotter temperatures like in July or August, because you don't have to prep the root system as much as a hard wall container. You just cut the bag, rip it off the roots, and it's ready to go in the ground. Whereas a hard wall container, you'd have to take the container off and kind of shave off about 1 inch off the side of that ball to give it new root growth outwards. Another benefit of using a grow bag tree versus a hard wall plastic container tree is you're going to get a healthier tree by using less resources. These guys don't require as much water, mainly from the dense root system. They have all those root tips that are able to absorb the nutrients and the water versus the big thick roots that get developed on a hard wall container. So if you are out looking for a tree to add to your yard or your business, and you see a tree in a grow bag, don't be worried. This is actually more beneficial than a hard wall container.